This video will show you how to configure the Wi-Fi settings on either the R7A, R7B or R22 V-Go charger models. Once the charger has been positioned in the desired location and connected to power, you are now ready to configure the internet. If connecting models R7B or R22 to a Wi-Fi network, please ensure that the SIM card has been taken out of the SIM card slot. This is accessible via the same panel used to access the main supply connection. You will need any device that has a Wi-Fi connection and a browser. This means that you can use any laptop, smartphone or tablet. For this tutorial, an Android phone will be used to demonstrate. However, a laptop tends to have the most stable connection. To begin, power on the charger. When powering on the charger, the status light should start flashing blue and red continuously, indicating that the charger is not yet connected to the internet. Once this is showing, the first step is to put your chosen device into flight mode. This will ensure that it doesn't try to access the internet through your mobile data connections. Next, turn on your Wi-Fi and ensure that you either disable the auto reconnect option or click forget on all nearby Wi-Fi networks. This will prevent your device from connecting to other networks during the procedure. You will then need to connect to the Wi-Fi network SSID that matches that of the charger. In this scenario, it is 122.346.0.285. Type in this same number for the password and click connect, leaving the auto reconnect option on. Wait for 30 seconds for your device to connect. Your device may say that the network has no internet. This is a sign that you have connected successfully. Go to any web browser and type in 192.168.4.1 and hit search. If your device is still connected to the charger's Wi-Fi, the page should load immediately. Select the desired SSID by clicking on the drop-down button and waiting for the list of nearby Wi-Fi networks to appear. Click on the desired Wi-Fi network and type in the password. Click confirm and wait for the grey box to say Wi-Fi configuration successful. Once this has appeared, you can put your device away and wait for the flashing blue and red indicator light to turn to a solid blue light. This process can take up to 1 minute depending on the strength of the Wi-Fi network.